Hello beauties, welcome to Vhen Beauty channel. I hope you guys doing well. How's your family doing? How's your husband? How's your boyfriend doing? How's your wife doing? How's your kids doing? I just wanted to say thank you for all of you guys. Yeah, thank you for all the beauties and all the babes all over the world. I just want to say hello and good morning or good afternoon where you are, and or good evening where you are. And also I have this opportunity to say thank you for all my subscribers for supporting my channel. I really need you guys there. If you guys are not there, I cannot be here. And if you're new here, you're interested and you're watching this video, you're new here, don't forget to like and to subscribe, and just press this button for the red button and just go ahead. You can watch my video. Yeah, but sometimes I don't upload the video all the time. For you guys have to forgive, because I'm not settled down at the moment. I was so busy, and all this life story and issue of the life is not easy, but God is my strength, and everything is be fine by the grace of God. The purpose of this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Clonovate, because I have received so many messages from YouTube and from my phone, from WhatsApp, people sending me message, and I was talking about Clonovate. Firstly, I want to say that Clonovate is a dermatological cream, like I said in the previous video. But remember, everyone has a different type of skin. It's good for every skin type, but the same way I use the Clonovate, it worked for me, maybe it might not work for you. We need to put it in our mind. And maybe the way you use your Clonovate cannot maybe work, as depending of your skin. Maybe your skin doesn't want Clonovate, or your skin maybe not reacting or not on to go fast. Some people, your skin might take longer, like long process, like long, it might be slow. Some people might be fast, like, or some people it might not work, some people it might work. Some people sending me email like they are buy Clonovate with different seller, it doesn't work. They just be consistent. And also Clonovate, you're not going to get the result at the 1 week or 2 weeks. You need to be consistent. It's not like hydroquinone cream has hydroquinone. You need to be consistent on it to get a good result. Also, when you use Clonovate, I just wanted to remind you that when you use Clonovate, you need to exfoliate your skin. You need to do some mask, do some time DIY of yourself. Sometimes I do, why I get a good result on my skin when I use Clonovate. This is the purpose of this video I'm doing, how to get the good result when you use Clonovate. First of all, when you use Clonovate in a daily, like a cream, for those people who use Clonovate want to whitening their skin, you need to exfoliate your skin, like using some body scrub and doing some mask. Like in the morning when you wake up, before you shower, you do some mask, leave it for 10 minutes and go have a shower. And when you finish the shower, apply your Clonovate. Also, even you don't want to apply the Clonovate the one day, like I do, I exfoliate my skin maybe twice a week, and I use some moisturizer like oil and some oil. I moisturize my skin with the vitamin C oil. And yeah, when I use the Clonovate, next when I use the step 3, when I use Clonovate, it's good, it's good. You cannot just apply the cream and no exfoliating your skin, no doing mask, no treating your body. You need to treat your skin to get the good result of your cream, or whatever any cream you're using. But you need to get like exfoliate your skin, treating yourself, like try to do some face wash, body scrub, and yeah, that's what I wanted to advise. Just a quick advice. And also what I do, like if I'm less busy, what I do, I get lemon, I get first of all I get lemon, and I get baking soda, and sometimes honey. I just mix it together to do my own mask. That is my DIY mask. If I don't want buy, I have, if I don't buy mask, but I have plenty mask, but I want to do natural organic one. What I do lemon, baking soda, honey. I mix it together and I put it on my face, leave it for a few minutes before I have a shower, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and I go and have a shower. When I come back, I use my oil I use my oil all my skin before I apply my Clonovate. And I have also like my face wash cream, like when I finish to do the mask, I wash my face, and when I'm brushing my teeth, I just use this one, put it on my face. When the time I'm brushing my teeth, when I finish, I just pop up in the shower and rinse it, and you put this one, because this is good product. You put this one, and when I finish with that, I wash myself. When this is the time when I'm ready to go to work, because sometimes I work early morning, just exfoliate my skin, and like with the gloves scrub, body exfoliate gloves, exfoliate gloves. I use it to scrub my skin, and sometimes African sponge I use it. But first, what I did first, I used two to three spoons of Clonovate. I mix it here, like I got this cream, 2 to 3 spoons of here, and I put it here for, and I mix it like this. This is my shower gel. I use this shower to have a shower with there, and I have some black soap as well I use, but I use this to have a shower. It's Clonovate inside. I mix like this. This is only the tip. I'm giving only the tip how to use Clonovate. This is the tip if you want to have a good result of Clonovate, because some people say they're not having good result. You need to be consistent how to use Clonovate. Some people, the Clonovate can go fast on you, some people can go slow, but remember, Clonovate is a dermatological cream. It's not hydroquinone cream. It will take a time. If you want whitening your skin, you need to do your effort as well. Don't just leave the Clonovate to work on you, but do your effort by yourself as well. Try to exfoliate your skin with the body scrub, any body scrub you do. Sometimes I do salt, olive oil. This is my DIY. What I do: salt, olive oil, and I mix it lemon. I mix it with vitamin C. I mix it. I scrub myself. I leave it for a few minutes to have a shower, because next step when I apply the Clonovate will work. I need to moisturize my skin with oil as well. That's what you have to do to get a good result. Salt water, and just sit down in your bath, salt water, and relax. And when you, after that, you can shower and put your cream. Remember, in the night before you put your Clonovate, moisturize. Sometimes Clonovate can give your skin dry, can make your skin dry, but try to use some oil, nice vitamin C oil, apply it on your skin. I hope so you get a good result. This is the things I came to let you guys out to get this, because I had some result. How it's going to work. Clonovate is a good cream. It's dermatology cream, like I said in my previous video. It's a good cream. It works. It works for me. It can work for you. It works for my client. It can work for you as well. But if your first time you have seen the Clonovate video, you want to get, some people ask me where to get the Clonovate. If you want to get this cream here, I don't know if you guys can see. If you get, it's still new here, I'm selling it. If you want to get this cream, go on Vhen Beauty Supply, and you can get this cream. We have plenty, and also now we're doing discount. And before it was $100 but now we sell it $70. Hurry up before I finish. Hurry up if you want to use this. I'm betting you Clonovate is good cream. It's not a bad cream. It's a good cream for people who has a skin problem. It's a good as well. You can use it where you having problem. And for people, some people ask me they have some dark spot on their skin or some stuff. What you do, you get lemon, baking soda, honey, mix it, do the DY, apply where you have a dark spot or dark place, or even the feet apply and the arms apply. Leave it for a while and you see how it's going to work. Sometimes just get the baking soda and lemon, mix it together, you evaporate, then you apply all your skin. That's why I do apply all my skin. I leave it for a while and have a shower. Some people say, oh, your skin is too soft, your skin is, it take a hard work to be beautiful. It take a hard work. You want to be beautiful, you want to achieve yourself with your Clonovate, you need to work hard, my darling. You need to work hard, darling sister. You need to work hard to have a good result. You need, if it's not only even Clonovate, even for yourself, you need to be beautiful to praise your husband, to praise your boyfriend, to praise your man. You need to be like hot, you know. When he see you like this, it's, oh, this is my darling. Yes, that's why I wanted just to give you guys the tip of how to get the good results with your Clonovate. Do use the face wash in the morning, in the evening. Apply your oil, moisturize your face with oil before you apply your Clonovate. And sometimes I don't apply Clonovate. I use this cream, like this, simple. I use this one. This is my routine. That's why I use this one. Apply it in the night. Sometimes I don't use Clonovate at night. I just apply this and yeah. Let's go. That's it. Don't forget to like and to subscribe this video, and thank you for watching this video. But if you're wondering how I get this lipstick, I mix the lipstick Chichi from Australia and some my lips Lana, just mix it. And yeah, if you want to know what I achieved, just you can leave the comment.